This is my first time having a vlog, so you're gonna have to bear with me. But I'm not gonna lie, it feels good.
Hey. 5:30, eh?
Fucking hell. 5:30.
Oh.
Go on, we're in a rush.
I hear someone's fucking late.
Ah, fuck it. It's all good.
We're on, boys.
Fucking hell. Another 3 minutes.
I'll probably open up soon, eh?
I would have got somewhere a bit closer, but it's fucking shit house. The one out there.
Yeah.
Feels good to flog me foot long. Just use them eyeballs, champ.
Just use them.
Fucking get in, son. Oh, fucking almost did you in.
Got this big ramp over here.
Yeah, we're gonna fucking. Oh, what is this? Fucking cattle country. Look at all these little bastards. Come on, champ. You gonna have a go today or what? Oh, fucking hell. He's not fucking bad. Fucking barely even spilling anything. Fucking getting her all in.
Have you done this before, or?
Yeah. I spill it over the top all the time.
You gotta get it in the hole, mate.
Wouldn't be the fucking first time I've heard that. Oh no, we're good again. I don't stale fuel in doing this shit.
That fuel I had to roll off is my shoulder I left in.
Yeah, and what happened here?
Nothing.
Your shoulder.
No.
Still fucking manages to spill up. I can do it first. I'll top her up a bit later.
Weight reduction.
Copy that.
Oh, fucking top of it.
Little short there, yonder. Little fucking short.
What do you reckon?
I reckon she's fucking boocher. Oh, he's put a little bit of a hole in her, hasn't he? We're gonna have to sort that out, boys.
What do you use? That one?
Third. Oh, the big one? Yeah, just in fourth, kind of like. You could probably get it in third, but like, that's a 250F. Yeah, I reckon you'd get it fourth. You just have to wind it on a bit like earlier than what I do. Because it's like a booter too, you'd have to like, you don't want to run out of legs. Yeah.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, that one there's sweet, but yeah, like I said, like right at the top, you kind of got to like lean back a little bit, or like just know that it might kick you a little bit. We'll jump it a few more times and get some water down. It's dried out already. This is what you fucking want to build. Oh, look at that spider! What's that? Get in close on him. What the fuck? Is that a funnel web? I think that's a funnel web, eh? You reckon?
Oi.
Is that a funnel web? What the fuck's that? He looks aggressive.
She does look aggressive.
What kind of spider is that? Is that a funnel web?
Nah,
Nah.
it's just a huntsman.
As soon as you turn the camera off, that's when the good shit happens. Someone could get bitten, someone could fucking die here.
Could be a coming spider.
Could be a fucking... Yeah, but look at the fucking fangs on that sucker.
Take over the team.
Look at the fucking fangs on him.
That's like white. Huntsman's are more brown and shit.
Yeah, that ain't... No, that ain't a huntsman, it's too aggressive. Oh, it's not really aggressive, it just looks aggressive. Fuck you. I'm not gonna kill him. Fucking, he's done all right. As long as he doesn't fucking. Hey. Tuck it out. It's heating up. Got a bit happening there, don't I? Dolly that little last section up and then we'll soak it. Soak the absolute piss out of it. But yeah, this jump here, like it looks fucking way more intimidating obviously because it is, but it's way better to jump because you jump up and then you fall into it.
You got a piss in there.
You will all over it, BC. Nah, seriously though, don't jump it if you're not feeling it because yeah, you'll get fucking owned. No room for error. Oh, there's plenty of room.
Was your first one the one where you
Went long as, landed right down the bottom. I kept telling myself, you're probably not going to go long. And then I was in the air going, fucking get fucked. But then just rode out sweet as, like just caught the landing and then rode out fucking sweet, didn't even feel it. And then every go after that was just butter. What's that butter company?
Kraft?
Kraft, that's like fucking cheese, isn't it?
No, peanut butter. They own peanut butter.
No, what's like regular butter?
Devondale?
That doesn't.
That's shit too.
Just
Can't believe
just doesn't have a ring.
Can't believe it's not butter.
Where's something?
Can't believe it's not butter. That's what I smeared over at first jump, and then fucking every jump after that it was fucking. I don't have butter, so I don't know the brands of it.
More of a margarine guy.
Margarine? Is that butter? Is that a brand?
Where's your golden
Is that a brand?
Meadow Lee. Yeah.
Yeah. Then every time.
See, we all know that one.
Every time after that it was Meadow Lee. Just fucking butter. The first one was can't believe it's not butter. I was thinking fucking here we go. Fucking pulled it sweet as. And then Cal fucking shuts the fucking record off as soon as I land. Like, I'm like, how's your form, champ? Right, go this way because that way you can cut them dial. And then we'll use that to chuck at the top. Use that, that's good dirt.
You don't need anything at the top.
Yeah, but yeah, you do. Chuck it in that hollow there.
Nah.
Mate, come on. You gotta be careful when you got young fellas like this. They fucking know it all.
Right there.
Yeah, so that line coming through there off the side of that first one's pretty fun, and then you jump off the back of the berm. If you had like a little ski jump there, you can kind of float around.
Yeah.
It's pretty fun. But you see what I mean? Like the bottom could be a bit more chiseled out, so you can jump up over it rather than like floating to it.
Yeah.
PC won't listen. He still hasn't jumped it. Come on, son.
Now's your time, champ.
Now's your time to shine. Got the numbers on the jersey and everything. Go on, let's get it. Let's get it done, DC. Butter. Fucking Wonder White butter. Oh, he's fucking done himself a mischief.
I made this dude a grinder account for his birthday.
Fucking happy birthday, he reckons.
You put the most filthy bloody.
Yeah, I was like, so I'm not here to fuck spiders, fuck you.
And then he puts my Instagram. And then within about 10 minutes, I had about 20 blokes who were fucking
Just wanted to fucking feed ya. What do you reckon of 2 strokes?
They're not bad, eh? Pretty good. Might see me on one pretty soon.
I reckon. The old ag bike's fucking done. Yeah, same deal, just soak the piss out of it and then soak the side, all this red shit. She's a bit bloody warm, have a look at the bloody beads. The bloody beads running off the face there. Oh. I'm no fucking Ranger Stacy, but that thing looks fucking venomous. That looks fucking venomous to me.
It's quick.
It's fucking quick. See the hole? There's a fucking hole there, spider hole. Get out of there, you bastard!
Oh no.
Yeah!
Off it.
Hasn't even fucking kicked you in the guts yet and he's fucking done himself in. The old cookie crumble. Yeah, you got like 100 foot of landing. Oh, not 100 foot, but
I'll ride around, I'll have a look and...
you're better to go long than come short, ask Cal.
Yeah. Yeah, I know, I said that.
Yeah.
Definitely flatter.
Oi, come do it this other way, off the side, it's pretty sweet. You want to go straight at it or?
Oh, what you just did, we'll do that.
I'll follow you. If you go slower on this part and then gas it at the last part, it's probably a bit better.
Yeah.
Like I went probably a bit fast then coming into it. Get it?
Yeah, I'll land it right on the top. But that's all I need.
That's all you need. Prepare.
Oh, Danny.
Alright, I get hooked up with Mickey T.
Like I rated the Michelin.
On the house.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'm the only rider in Australia that has Mickey T's.
Fucking blow your own trumpet, cunt.
Yeah.
Get some of those pussies from States.
Nah. Fuck it, I'll just get whatever's cheap.
Couple of linglongs, eh?
Yeah, Samyongs. Samsungs.
What about Carl's bad? The old Kenda.
Couple fucking Kmart tyres.
Fucking Kenda, you'd rip the fucking Pirellis off the fucking top of them before you even get out the back of the van.
Go to spin the wheel for the chain loop and the knobbies fall off.
Yeah. Fucking hell. Alright, I'm just gonna have to go. Yeah, BC! Woo! Getting a bit of rain happening. The old wet shovel does not cut it. Thinking if this rain pushes off, we'll be laughing to be prime time. I think these boys are going to have a go.
I think you're wrong.
False alarm. False alarm. It is fucking sick when you jump it, but
Oh, yeah.
it's a fun jump. That jump there needs to be like the bottom chiseled
Yeah.
to make it so it's like this, so you jump up and fall into it. At the moment, you just kind of jump onto it. But this jump, she's the dick. That dirt there's fucking putrid. That needs to go. Look at that. That needs to go.
Give us a bit of David Attenborough about the dirt, mate.
That dirt's absolute pus. Look at it. Look how dry that is.
It's not what you want.
Box her out. We'll box that out. We'll fuck that off. Even this shit, they can fuck off. We'll get some of this pristine gold.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Already.
Look at that.
Mm.
Yeah.
Rather than like turning.
Yeah, you were doing like fucking. I thought you were.
Turning and then.
I thought you were at fucking Mount Panorama there at one point. Fucking the amount of turns you fucking
Yeah, I thought it was
chuck it in like. Yeah. Fucking hell.
But hey, that fucking street cred only lasts for so long, bro. Once she figures you out, it's all over. When she starts seeing all the other lads here hit the 130, she's gonna be asking questions, bro. That's right.
You used to.
Yeah.
I would you would have.
Mustn't have bareback much then, have you? You must have done any much bareback, son. You don't want to use the top gun. There's a
He's fucking parking up for the day. He's had enough.
No, he's gonna go hide the dongies out the dash.
Peace out.
Alright, peace.